The say fofra abebom and say aposi 40 mi alcohol no mabuna no me ye kire wahwete wo mo ama nka basabasa ya nka be pagya no ye say de ni nyina no abrase obi ekọ na fiefie moja kwa kope bibi adi na ye free ho no mo na ye komrahye bedwamu a opanyina sesi ono ana katamanso amanyoko na boni din se o meye domkuma no ba no de ne kesel Ato Forson waye nsentwefo nhyiemu ne de na nhyiemu no ase no na de nsempii tu bia kire se adwuma da na so de wono ankasa wonim se so nenso kasepe wo mu opese wodi sine ni so ni manimu ya no ene se edomkuma no obekeka wo mu nyina abomu.
Minority leader womo ayi no foforo a wokodi domketwa nanim ewo mrahye bedwam Ato Forson ehia nsentwefo wodi tudwa se neni aso wanamontu a NDC amanyuku no etuye na womo ayi ni se ono ene enkoye minority leader ema domketwa no ewo mrahye bedwam wokasa wodi tudwa se enema miensa na sisi waye na adwene se wobedi enim kan na womo etu hanamo de obedi ho kan ne se wobehwe ama MPP aban no ate na so afo a woyi omo no eso ne etoso biem no nso no de ye COVID-19 expenditure eye enema eko COVID-19 mu niema womo totoye sika eko mu nina no wobehwe ama womo ebuhu nkunta na de etoso eye miensa ne se wobehwe ama yawe Ghana esikasem se ne niema eko wode to omanfo ewo NDC amanyoko no enim se womo ka womo akoma ento womo yam.
If His Excellency the President intends to reshuffle his government, let it be known that we in the NDC will not accept an attempt to increase the size of government. And if the current size of his ministers increase by one, that one person may not receive our cooperation. And in the end, we also wish to assure the people of Ghana that as part of our engagement with the Finance Committee and the Health Committee, we have agreed to do public hearing on the audit of the COVID-19 expenditure, public hearing, beginning on the 7th of February 2023. At that point, we will pay due diligence to the duties given to us as the people of Ghana. And then finally, we will also embark on a roadshow where we will galvanize the people of Ghana and educate them on the meaning of what this economic crisis is going to take us through. But to conclude on this matter, I will appeal to the rank and file of our great NDC party to keep calm.